Hello, welcome to my channel रश पर राश। टुडे आज हम मॉडल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। मॉडल्स, लेकिन मॉडल्स एक बहुत सारा 14 मॉडल है। हाउ मेनी? 14। वो है विल, शैल, कैन, कुड, कैन, वुड, शुड, कुड, मे, माइट, यूज टू और टू, बहुत सारे हैं। लेकिन हम लोग हर वक्त कन्फ्यूजन में आ जाते हैं, विल कहाँ लगेगा और सेल कहाँ लगेगा। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस व्हेन टू यूज विल एंड सेल। तो फर्स्ट मॉडल को आएंगे हम, विल को आते हैं। विल हम लोग आई विल गो बोल देते हैं, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट, दैट इज टोटली इनकरेक्ट। दैट विल बी सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन, second and third person. First, second and third person. First person is I, second person is you, third person is he or she. So second and third, he will go, okay, and he will go, they will go, like that. So that is second and third person to express simple future. और कहाँ पर लगता है will जानेंगे, फॉर विलिंगनेस। विलिंगनेस लेकिन जो हम लगाते हैं इट इज फॉर फर्स्ट पर्सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए हम लगाएंगे विल और सेल। ओके, किसमें? जब विलिंगनेस। व्हाट इज विलिंगनेस? यू सी, आई विल डू द वर्क। व्हाट? आई विल डू द वर्क। आई विल सिंग फॉर यू। आई विल sing for you. That is willingness. Now promise. For promise it is also first person. When we are using will for first person, these three. So what are the modals? Modals are the moods, manners and attitude. So here also some promise. Promise, you see, what is promise? I will help you. I will help you. Understood? I will help you. Yes. Here I can promise I will help you. Then we have our determination. What determination? Yes, I will fight for my country. I will fight for my country. This is my determination because I am using it in the first person. First person if it is there. Otherwise, in a very simple sentence you cannot write I will. Also intention. What are intentions? You see, I will, yes, call her ugly. I will say her ugly. It is what? My intention is to call her ugly. So here I will, very intention. Threat means डर दिखाना, भय दिखाना। जैसे हम थ्रेट अब लगाएंगे, so you see, I will kill you, I will slap you. Okay, these are जो हम किस में लगाते हैं। देखो, फर्स्ट विल में लगाए हम लोग सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंपल सेंटेंस में। लेकिन जब हमारा मूड बदल जाता है, मैनर बदल जाता है, एटीट्यूड बदल जाता है, जैसे हम बोलेंगे विलिंगनेस के लिए अलग, तो आई विल, आई प्रॉमिस, ये सब लग जाएगा। लेकिन जब आई विल गो, ये कोई सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, आई विल बाय, यस, सो दैट इज हम विल वहाँ गलती से लगाते हैं। वैसे ही नाउ कमिंग टू सेल। सेल जानेंगे, सेल कहाँ लगता है। सेल को हम फर्स्ट पर्सन में लगाएंगे। आई सेल गो, हम लोग आई विल गो, आई विल गो, आई विल डिक्टेट यू, लाइक दैट वी आर डूइंग, बट इट कम्स, यू सी, फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई छे फॉर simple future time. For simple future time we will use shall. Okay, we will use shall, not for second person or third person. For second person, third person also there, but for different. But for second and third person, when we are discussing the moods and manners and attitude for the second and third person, he, I think you and he, then we can use shall for a promise. For a promise, you can see, you shall receive a prize. It's a promise. It's a promise. I am promising you that you shall receive a prize. Understood? Also a command. Command, he shall go there. He shall go there. Okay. Yes, it's my command. He shall go there. Okay. It's my command. He shall go there. You see, it is in the third what? Third person. Here it is the officer. Also the third person. A threat. Like this threat, the officer shall be punished. The officer shall be punished. Understood? Now, determination. We have determined, Dud Sankalpa ki. You shall go at once. Abhi jao. You shall. So, for second and third person, we are using shall and will. And this is not finished. There are so many things we learn. And we are discussing about shall and will, and we are very much confused. So many people, so many students, so many competitors are very much confused when they come to use will or shall. So there is some difference. Okay, you see, that is first question. We have learned earlier in assertive sentences. We can use will or shall. In that way we have finished. Now for asking question. So will and shall, the difference. In the first person, will is never used. Will never be used in the first person. How it is? You see, will be never. You see, shall I call her? Not will I call her. Shall I be late? Question. Never say will I be late or will you be late. First person, singular number also and plural number also. I or will. So understood. Shall I call her or shall I be late? Now coming to in the second person you can see shall or will is used according to whichever is expected in the answer. You see, whichever is expected, जो भी हमको चाहिए shall रखो. तो सेकंड पर्सन में shall लगेगा. सेकंड पर्सन में shall और will दोनों लग सकता है. लेकिन shall you go home tomorrow? Shall you go home tomorrow? It is question mark. I have not given. Okay. Shall we go home tomorrow? Shall we go? Yes, you. But will you grant me leave for today? Will you? You. Both shall also, will also. But in the third person, that he, she, will is always used, not the shall. A shall, okay. A will is always used. Will he go there? Okay. Will she go there? Not shall she go there. Okay. Will she go there? So there is a very big difference between will and shall, but I think we take it very easily and we use will or shall in different way. So here today I discussed only will and shall. हम will और shall के बारे में विचार किए क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. कॉम्पिटिटिव में बहुत कन्फ्यूजन है और बाकी ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन नहीं है. और जो 12 है और 12 जो मॉडल्स है वो हम बाद में उसका डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद.